We are Ngā Mātāwaka Māori Culture Group, a not-for-profit organisation based in Cairns, far north Queensland. From our humble beginnings to an organisation of now 50 strong, we come together to showcase and promote the Indigenous culture of our homeland, Aotearoa, New Zealand. The Māori culture plays an integral part of our identity. It is who we are. We carry the bloodline of our ancestors, and it is up to us to maintain our language, our law and our culture through song and dance. Ngā Mātāwaka means the face of many tribes. Having this as our name allows us to embrace all walks of life, and therefore we welcome you and invite you to join our family, our whānau. Nau mai hara mai ngā manuhiri tuarangi e, ki tō tātou nei rōpū o Ngā Mātāwaka, Tūrau Hawaiki.